Gil here at Graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to those of you that have a CPAP. If you don't have a CPAP, hey, still listen up. You may have a friend or relative that does have a CPAP, and you can pass this information on to them. All right, so for those of you who don't know what a CPAP is, a CPAP is a device that helps people that have either sleep apnea or snoring problems or other breathing problems at night to keep breathing so they don't stop breathing in the middle of the night for a minute or two and then start breathing again. All right. It can be really scary for the spouse when they hear the breathing pattern of their spouse suddenly stop and they're listening. Are they going to breathe? Are they going to breathe? And they take a big gasp of air. Okay. It's also not good for your body to do that as well. So the CPAP machines, there's a different type of masks and stuff. There's the ones that just goes under the nose and fits on it and kind of, comes over the top, kind of lifts your nose up and blows the air in. There's ones that are to cover the mouth and nose. And then there's the bigger ones that cover your whole face so there's no gaps getting out. You don't get the air leaking out from your sinuses around your eyes. So there are different devices for you out there. They have the hoses that go to the machines themselves. There's filters on the machines. Some take distilled water to add moisture to the breathing. So, which is something else than to stockpile. Then is the gallon or two gallon jugs of distilled water. So, whatever type of machine you have, get extra supplies. Now, I know there are some companies when they on their prescription. They send stuff out every 3 months. And some people, new one, all right, throw the old one away. Don't. Try this. Try keep using the old mask for another month or two before you swap out the new one. You do that several times and you got more masks. If you're lucky and you got a good quality mask like I have the whole face one. Mine go for a year before I have to change them out. All right. So, yeah, I'm gathering up extra masks because if the time comes and all of a sudden everything goes cattywampus and I ain't getting more masks, I want to be able to have several years worth of masks on hand before I have to go out and start trying to salvage masks or jury rig something to keep my CPAP working for me. All right. So, as always, stay happy, even if you're on a CPAP. Don't do anything foolish like not using a CPAP if you need one. Keep adding to your preps, water, food, medications, medical equipment such as CPAPs, and other things you need to be able to survive. Why? Well, this is why.